Hello, recently well, not recently, but here lately I've been seeing a lot of these on TV and YouTube and stuff, and this Ring doorbell. This is the video doorbell number 2, and this particular one comes with chimes included with it. It says right here with chime. Now, this particular one here I ordered from Costco. They had a sale on them. I think the sale is over now, but even at that, it's still the best price you go find in town anywhere. So you might want to give them a try if you're interested in getting one. Okay, now when you take this cover off here, this looks like a little box, but you take that off, and then you've got this other box here, and that should have all your goodies in it. Okay, now here's the doorbell itself. See right here. Lay that aside. This is your say hello to Ring. Okay, this is your chimes. Now, to tell you the truth, all this stuff was wrapped better than this. This had plastic coating on the outside of it. I took it off when I was just examining the box. So, but anyway, it was just like that in the box. And this is all I have. This is as far as I've been in it. And then it's over here. It says installation hardware. So we'll get into that in just a second. Okay, now let's see what's in this hardware box. It says, isn't that what it says? Yeah, installation hardware. All right. Got a little Phillips head screwdriver here. This is a USB charging cable for the battery. And okay, we have a little on the inside of this plastic here. You got a little level cell on there so you can get your doorbell level. I'll show you how that goes on in a second. I think. Let me see if I can open this package. Just slide it all out where you can see it. Okay, and it comes with a drill bit. That didn't hit me on the toe. So it comes with this drill bit right here. I don't know what size it is yet. It comes with these 2 little wires. Now I'm assuming the wires are if you go and hook it up to an existing doorbell that you've already got. But I don't have one, so I'm going to use the battery power on it. And then you get some little anchors here to go into the wall. And then there's a little diode in here. I don't have a slightest idea what that's for, but we'll find out as time goes on. So that's all there is in that. So let's see what's next here. Okay, now digging further on into the box, here's another cover for it. I think it's so you can, I know it is, so you can interchange this cover. If you don't like the silver, you can put this on top of it, just like that. So anyway, you can decide on that for yourself. And here's the handy dandy super duper battery that goes in this thing. Now it took me about, and it tells you that you have to charge it before you ever start using it, but it took me about 5 or 6 hours to charge this battery. So I did go ahead and charge mine, so when we get it installed we can see if it works. And on this side over here, I don't know what you use that for, but we'll find out a little bit later on. And here's another little thing. It looks like it's offset. I guess if you want to angle it one way or the other, maybe you can't. It looks like it's reversible, so you can turn it upside down either way you want it to be with it. And this is explaining to you how you turn that thing either way. And then here you get some little small screws and some more anchors. So you might be able to anchor this thing down pretty good. And this is, I don't know what it is. It looks like a little template plate for you to, or it shows you how to put your screws on and everything. So anyway, I might as well get me a drill motor here and see if I can figure out how to do this thing and start getting it installed. Okay, now according to this book, it says to mount this doorbell 4 feet off the ground. And that's supposed to give you your optimum performance there at 4 feet. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, now. Ooh, that's awful. Seems like awful low. But anyway, right there is 4 feet or 48 inches, one or the other. I'll mark it. Okay. Okay, now it says insert this little level here, like that, and then, I don't know where I want to put it, right there, I guess, 4 feet. Right, and I get it level. And mark your holes. Okay, now I've got my handy dandy hammer drill here. I don't know if I need to go that deep or not. Okay, so much for that. Okay, now to put these anchors in, you need a little hammer here. Or you can use a big hammer if you'd like. Tap them in like that. So much for that. Now we'll get the screwdriver out here and start putting them in. Okay, now use the little screwdriver that came with Now we're moving along with it, find some other screws. Okay, so much for that. Okay, now we're going to install the battery. Okay, that's up there. Oops, got contact, got blue lights flashing. I don't like blue lights flashing behind me. Okay, now all we have left to do out here is but you decide whether you want this cover or the black cover on it. Got that little bit of screw there. It has to go up through the bottom here, fasten in together just like that. I'm not going to put this one on quite yet because I'm not sure what we have to do till we set it up. So that's be the end for the outside. That's about it for installing this thing. It's not much to it, just, you know, drill the holes where they say drill them and put it on. But the only funny thing about this thing is, let me zoom on down here a little bit. They tell you to, there's a SKU code or some kind of code in there, a Q code or something, I don't know what it's called. But anyway, it says to scan it on your phone. Well, after you got it, it's on the back of the Ring doorbell. After you got it all screwed in and set up, was a little bit too late then to be trying to scan something on the back. However, now the numbers are right here. I've got them covered up with this tape here, but they are right there. But it's a little aggravating on that to scan it. I had to do it about 3 times before I could get it to take, but anyway, it did. So got set up anyway like that. But anyway, to get it all set up and all, you just need to go to the Google Play Store. I know there's a couple more places you can get it at, but it was easy for me just to go to Google Play and download the Ring app, Ring doorbell app. And so I downloaded that, and everything else is pretty straightforward. Just connects to your internet, your Wi-Fi, and wants to know your location and all that stuff. And so after you do that, it's pretty much simple. So that's it with the Ring doorbell. I mean, it's a great little tool, I think. It seems to work real good so far. So we'll see what it's like later on in the day when somebody starts coming and going around the house. So till next time, hope y'all enjoyed my little video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. So I hope you come back and see me real soon. Until then, y'all have a real good day now. Goodbye.